Namaskaram. Hello and welcome, hardworking individuals. Why UAE wants India's BrahMos and Akashteer missiles when it already has world's best defense system? Yes, the Iron Dome of Israel. And not only that, why this shift of weapon import from US to India? And there is one another question. There is a secret plan of India against. I'll not tell you. You need to see the video in detail and then you will answer it yourself at the end of the video. So, guys, when you talk about the US Iran conflict, when it started, there was this threat to the Gulf countries, the neighboring countries of Iran, that they also might be attacked. And it was an opportunity for the United States of America to sell its weapons, to do the grand deals, and that was done. It was not that United States of America or Donald Trump did not take the advantage of this warlike situation. And what did we see? That there was UAE, which was forced significantly in the regional isolation. There were two reasons for this. Number one, UAE developed a severe rift with Saudi Arabia due to the clashes between their forces in Yemen. That was number one. Number two, the tension was further aggravated when Saudi Arabia signed a defense pact with Pakistan. Now, I want you to keep this point in mind because this is a very important point where India will make its entry. Now, when you see what happens further, so in response to these growing threats that Saudi Arabia and also you see the Pakistan angle coming into it, and also the Iran going into the war with Israel and US, UAE initially sought the covert defense assistance from Israel. So it got the Iron Dome system under the Abraham Accords. Now, furthermore, what happened? UAE also decided to exit the OPEC cartel. Now, this was really a talking point for everybody because this was really unexpected. But what happens after that? There is this entry of India. You know what happened? When the missiles of Iran actually hit UAE, it found that somewhere or the other, the third system of America, the defense system, that's not working properly. And also, it's quite very expensive. At this very time, UAE remembered India. Now, before it remembered India, in January 2026, UAE President Sheikh Al Nahyan, he visited India, and there was this commitment of $200 billion trade push and the strengthening of the defense ties between the two nations. Now, soon after the UAE was attacked, there was this meeting of Ajit Doval in the country in April 2026. And it is said that he strategically advised UAE that they should diversify their defense procurement. Why should they solely be dependent on United States or even on Israel? They should also try to get their weapons from India. And not only that, India's defense, which they need to buy or which they are trying to buy, is very cheap in comparison to those which is coming from US or from Israel, and is more effective, if not better. It's at par at least. And the major two missiles which are being talked about, number one is BrahMos. So the BrahMos here is obviously it's a joint venture established in 1998 between India's DRDO and Russia's NP. Now understand one thing, the stake here is slightly high on the Indian side if you see, and it is recognized as the world's fastest supersonic cruise missile. But actually, the main advantage you have with BrahMos is its precise attack. Yes, and not only that, when you talk about the development that's already going on in BrahMos, at first when it was developed, it somewhere around the range was 300 kilometer. Now it has been increased to 800 and it is being further advanced. Now, the missile is heavily Indianized. Obviously, its components are manufactured across Indian cities like Lucknow, Hisar, Mumbai, and also in Bangalore. Now, if you talk about how come people be so sure about BrahMos missile, so it has a proven track record. In Operation Sindoor, it was used, and the world came to know about it when Pakistan's Prime Minister himself acknowledged the fact that when BrahMos was fired, we had no time. Just few seconds were there to take a decision, and that itself was a great advertisement from BrahMos missile. That if your enemy nation is talking about it, now BrahMos everybody knows about, but this Akashteer air defense system, this is not that very known. So this is developed in collaboration with Bharat Electronics Limited. Akashteer is an advanced surface to air missile. So what it operates at the high speed at the range of 18 kilometers. Now it is said to be of very minimum price when you talk or when you compare to the third system or the Iron Dome system. The much of the world was unaware of it, and again, Operation Sindoor was the show point where the world came to see it, and it get the title "Unseen Force Behind India's New War Capacity." So UAE requested Akashteer system to complement the Israeli Iron Dome they already have. Now, what about the implications of it in the global arms trade? Now, understand one thing which is really very important here. India was always looked at a country which always used to import the weapons, the missiles, or the defense system. Now, for the very first time in the last 5 years, you can say India is seen as an exporter of these defense weapons, and there is this threat in the global market that if India continue to, in a way, grow in exporting the defense, there will be issues to other countries which have these technologies at a very higher rate. Obviously, I'm talking about USA, but there is one more reason. If you remember at the very beginning, I said you there was this defense tie between Pakistan, and Saudi Arabia. And by having the defense ties with UAE, India is it is putting is its point forward. And what do you think about it? Why it is the real reason that India indulged into itself into this fight of the Gulf countries? And what do you think Donald Trump will be thinking about all this? Guys, we'll meet again if you subscribe. But before you go, if you are trying hard for exams or for it's going tough in your career, believe me, you need to be patient, you need to be disciplined, and you need to be working hard towards your goal. Because if you don't give up today or tomorrow, you will be successful. Namaskar.